welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of frozen fruits and how they can revolutionize your recipes. Frozen fruits are not just convenient and affordable, but they also pack a nutrient punch. When fruits are frozen, they're picked at their peak, locking in vitamins and minerals. This means you can enjoy the taste of summer all year round. So, how can you unleash the power of frozen fruits in your kitchen? Let's start with smoothies. Using frozen fruits like berries, mangoes, or bananas adds texture and cooling freshness, eliminating the need for ice. Blend them with your choice of milk or yogurt, add a touch of honey, and you've got yourself a nutritious breakfast or snack in minutes. Next, consider using frozen fruits in desserts. You can make a quick and easy berry compote by simmering frozen berries with a little sugar and lemon juice. This versatile topping pairs beautifully with pancakes, waffles, or even ice cream. For a show-stopping dessert, try a fruit crumble or crisp. Simply toss frozen fruits with some flour, sugar, and cinnamon, top with a buttery crumble, and bake until bubbly and golden. Frozen fruits can also shine in savory dishes. Pineapple or mango can add a delightful sweetness to stir-fries or curries. Just mix them in while cooking to balance the flavors beautifully. If you're a fan of salads, consider thawing some frozen berries to include in a mixed greens salad with nuts and cheese for a burst of color and flavor. Let's not overlook the importance of frozen fruits in baking. They can give muffins, cakes, and bread an unexpected and delicious twist. Just fold in the frozen fruits directly into your batter for moist and flavorful results. Incorporating frozen fruits into your meals is not only budget-friendly, but also opens up a world of culinary possibilities. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember the power of frozen fruits. Dive into your freezer, discover those frozen gems, and let your culinary creativity soar. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting food adventures and tips. See you next time.